Introduction to Quantum Computing for Beginners is a comprehensive 5-part video series designed to introduce you to the basics of quantum computing. In this course, you'll learn about the fundamental concepts and applications of quantum computing, as well as its history, advancements, challenges, and future predictions. Part 1 covers the definitions, algorithms, qubits, differences with classical computing, history, and applications of quantum computing. You'll gain a strong foundation in the key concepts of quantum computing and understand how it differs from classical computing. Part 2 expands on algorithms and applications, taking a deeper dive into the practical uses of quantum computing, including quantum cryptography and optimization. Part 3 covers the advancements and challenges in quantum computing and the hardware systems used to build quantum computers. You'll learn about the latest developments in quantum computing technology and the challenges that must be overcome to create practical quantum computers. Part 4 delves into the features and challenges of quantum computing and its future predictions. You'll gain insight into the potential of quantum computing and the challenges that lie ahead. Part 5 provides you with an opportunity to test your knowledge through quizzes and tests, ensuring that you have a strong understanding of the concepts covered throughout the course. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of quantum computing and its potential for transforming the field of computing. Whether you're a student or a professional in the field of computing, this course is an essential step in your journey to becoming a quantum computing expert.